Have you ever wondered if it's possible to make real money from a virtual world? Welcome to the fascinating world of the Roblox stock market. Roblox is more than just a game, it's an expansive digital universe, a sprawling metropolis of creativity where millions of people come together to imagine, create and share experiences. And at the heart of this dynamic ecosystem, there's an intriguing element that sets it apart, its very own virtual economy. This economy thrives on Robux, the game's virtual currency. Players can earn Robux in a variety of ways, from creating and selling their own virtual items to participating in the game's vast array of activities. But Robux isn't just for buying cool gear or game passes. Much like real-world currency, Robux has spawned its own unique form of commerce: trading. Players buy items when the price is low, hold on to them, and then sell when the price increases. This buy low sell high strategy is a fundamental principle of any stock market, and the virtual one in Roblox is no different. This has created a kind of stock market within the game, where players can trade Robux and items in a bid to amass more wealth. But it's not all fun and games. The Roblox stock market is as complex and unpredictable as its real-world counterparts. Prices fluctuate wildly, influenced by factors ranging from game updates and player trends to real-world events. It can be a wild ride, but for those who understand the mechanics, it can be an opportunity for significant earning. It's a fascinating experiment in economics, a testament to the blurring lines between the virtual and the real, the playful and the serious. A space where kids, teens, and adults alike can learn about market dynamics, economic principles, and financial literacy in an engaging, hands-on way. So, now that we have a basic understanding of what the Roblox stock market is, how does it work? The Roblox stock market might seem like child's play, but it's more complex than you might think. At its core, the Roblox stock market operates much like the real-world stock market, with the essential principles of buying, selling, and trading items. The value of these items can fluctuate based on supply and demand, just like stocks in the real world. Now let's break it down a bit. The basic transaction in the Roblox stock market involves one player selling an item and another player buying it. The seller sets the price, and if a buyer agrees to that price, the transaction is completed. Simple, right? But here's where it gets interesting. The value of items in the Roblox stock market isn't static. It's influenced by supply and demand. When a lot of players want a particular item and the supply is limited, the price goes up. Conversely, if there's a glut of a certain item, or if interest in that item wanes, the price drops. This is where the concept of trading enters the picture. Roblox players can trade items with each other, allowing them to bypass the traditional buying and selling process. This can be a savvy move when you're dealing with rare or highly sought-after items. But just like in the real world, trading comes with its own risks and rewards. You might strike a great deal and score a rare item, or you might end up with something that's not as valuable as you thought. It's all part of the thrill of the Roblox stock market. Finally, it's worth noting that the Roblox stock market is also affected by external factors. For example, when a popular YouTuber or streamer showcases a particular item, demand for that item can skyrocket, leading to a surge in its price. Now that we've demystified how the Roblox stock market operates, let's dive into the strategies players use to get ahead. In the Roblox stock market, as in real life, knowledge is power. Now, let's talk about the strategies that successful players use to earn Robux, the virtual currency in Roblox. These strategies are not necessarily complicated, but they require dedication, patience, and a keen eye for detail. First off, studying market trends is crucial. It's much like being a detective, where you're gathering clues and piecing together a puzzle. You need to observe price fluctuations, understand why certain items are popular, and predict which items might become valuable in the future. This might sound daunting, but in reality, it's a continuous learning process that can be both challenging and fun. Next, investing in rare items is another common strategy. These items are often limited edition or retired items that are no longer available in the game. Because of their rarity, these items tend to increase in value over time. However, keep in mind that this strategy requires a substantial upfront investment and a willingness to hold on to items for a long period. Lastly, strategic trading is a key component of success. This involves buying low and selling high, just like in a traditional stock market. But remember, it's not just about making quick trades, it's about making smart trades. That means understanding the value of your items, being patient, and not being afraid to negotiate. Now, all these strategies sound promising, right? Well, they are. But they're not foolproof. You see, the Roblox market, like any other market, is unpredictable and subject to change. Prices can drop, demand can fluctuate, and what seems like a good investment today might not be tomorrow. This brings us to a crucial point. While these strategies can help players succeed, there are also risks involved in the Roblox stock market. So it's always important to be aware of these risks, to be prepared, and to never invest more than you're willing to lose. Let's explore these next. Just like any other market, the Roblox stock market comes with its own set of risks and rewards. To begin with, let's delve into the potential risks. The first and most apparent risk is the loss of Robux, the in-game currency. As in any other stock market, prices fluctuate, and investments can decrease in value. This means that you could put in a large amount of Robux into a particular item or stock, and end up losing a significant portion of it if the value drops. Another risk involves the darker side of the internet world: scams. Scammers can often be found lurking in the corners of the online community, and sadly, the Roblox stock market is no exception. They might offer enticing deals or investments that seem too good to be true, and unfortunately they usually are. It's crucial to exercise caution and be wary of such traps. But let's not forget that with risks come rewards, and the Roblox stock market has plenty to offer. One of the most enticing rewards is the potential to earn real money from the game. By astutely investing and trading in the Roblox stock market, players can accumulate a sizable amount of Robux, which can then be converted into real-world currency. This conversion is made possible through the developer's exchange program, turning your virtual success into tangible rewards. Moreover, the Roblox stock market can also offer the reward of knowledge and experience. It provides a platform for players to learn about the principles of economics, trading, and the stock market in a safe and controlled environment. This can be incredibly valuable, especially for younger players, as these are skills they can carry forward into the real world. Understanding the risks and rewards can help players make informed decisions in the Roblox stock market. But what does the future hold for this virtual economy? Join us in the next segment as we attempt to forecast the trajectory of this fascinating digital marketplace. As gaming continues to evolve, so does the Roblox stock market. It's a realm that mirrors the ever-changing dynamics of our real-world economy, and as we look towards the future, we see immense potential. The Roblox stock market is not just a game within a game, it's an economic ecosystem that's growing in complexity and scale. With Roblox's popularity on a steady incline, more and more players are diving into this virtual stock market. This surge of interest is not just a trend, it's a testament to the allure of virtual economies and the real-world skills they can help develop. Imagine a generation of players who understand the principles of supply and demand, who grasp the concept of investment and return, and who can navigate the complexities of a stock market, all before they've even taken their first economics class. That's the power of platforms like Roblox. They're not just games, they're virtual classrooms, teaching invaluable lessons that extend beyond the digital realm. Moreover, as technology advances, the line between the virtual and the real continues to blur. We're seeing this with the rise of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, and the Roblox stock market is another fascinating example. It's possible that in the not-too-distant future, the Robux, the virtual currency of Roblox, could hold real-world value, much like Bitcoin or Ethereum today. But of course, with opportunity comes risk. The Roblox stock market, like any market, is subject to fluctuations and uncertainties. It's a world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. But it's also a world of learning, of growth, and of potential. As we move forward, we can expect to see the Roblox stock market continue to evolve, to adapt, and to surprise us. It's a world that's as unpredictable as it is exciting, and it's a world that's here to stay. The Roblox stock market is a fascinating example of how virtual worlds can intersect with real-world economics. It's a world of opportunity, risk, and reward, much like our own.